If you ain't sneezing, it ain't season, like they say. If it ain't sneezing, it ain't season. All right. What you say? Baby, what you say?
And you're definitely right. And, well, this is a special occasion. I'm cooking a special heavenly birthday celebration for my brother D. He would have been 50 years old. As you can see, garlic toast, cob salad, baby, seafood melody, and some fried chicken. You already know Diva Prime stay in the kitchen cooking for her family. Make for love. But then that so glow with that one, baby. And make sure you tune in my new album, Distance, streaming on all platforms. Tune in Tuesday and Thursday for 8:30 Central Standard Time for In the Kitchen Diva Prime on DP Brandon Rave, and also DP on Sunday and Friday.